In this video, I want to talk about how you can find XRP on Trading 212. Now, currently, if you cannot find it, it's most likely because you don't have a dedicated crypto account. Now, if I search for XRP, nothing will pop up, and this is because I'm not on a crypto account. So I only have an Invest in CFD account. What you need to do is you need to verify your account completely. So right now I'm on a demo account. So you need to go to a real account. Inside of there, verify your account. So put in your details and information. And after that, you will be able to open up a crypto one after you have answered some questions and if you pass the test. Once you've done that, you will have a crypto account. And then in here, you will be able to select crypto and you can open up a demo in that or whatever. And from in there, you will be able to find XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these just by searching. So just keep that in mind. You need to create the crypto one first, and that's basically how it works. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.